Hi friends, we're back again. It's still Friday. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the new subscribers as well. Thank you for joining. So today I've just finished the kashari recipe with you and I got the kitchen cleaned up and uploaded that video, so I'm just waiting for that now. Now I've been wanting to do a project for quite a long time now and I've just not had time to do it and get on with it, so I'm doing it today. I'm going to be making my own vanilla extract. Today we're talking vodka today, because the reason why I want to talk about vodka with you is because as a prepper, as somebody who likes to have a pantry and try and cover a lot of eventualities, I don't just want rice and beans in there. I want medical supplies and other items for all sorts of reasons. Vinegar, lots of white vinegar, things like that. Bicarbonate of soda, all those kinds of things. It's important to have a good stock of these things. One of the best items you can keep in your pantry is vodka, whiskey, brandy and rum. Not for drinking. I mean, you can have a drink if you want, that's entirely up to you, but I don't mean for drinking, I mean for medicinal purposes. And seriously, medicinal purposes, not like granddad's having a tipple for, you know, making a joke of it. Vodka is one of the best things you can use for making, and the cheapest, because you can buy just a cheap bottle from the supermarket. You don't need a brand name. And the expensive ones, you just don't need them. You just need a vodka, a whiskey, a brandy, a rum. I don't buy rum. We don't have any uses for rum, but you can have rum in to make things like tinctures, medicines. So if I was making my own medicines for different ailments like stomach upsets, etc., I would grow my own herbs, which I am doing. I'd put those herbs in a jar, a glass jar, and I'd pour either vodka or whiskey in it, or wine, and leave that for a few weeks for the herbs to seep into that alcohol. And you just give a teaspoon, depending on what herbs you're using and for what ailment it is, you would just give that person a teaspoon. You can also make non-alcohol varieties for children as well, options, sorry, for children. But to have vodka in your cupboard is a necessity. Sorry, the dogs. They're doing it again, aren't they, when I'm filming? Just bear with. Sorry about that. I cannot stand that crunching and smacking lips in the background. I'm sure you can't either. It drives me mad. They do it every time I start filming. They don't go near the bowls till I start filming. Right, get back to what I was saying. Vodka is one of the very best things you can have in your cupboard, and it's a must-have in your pantry. So if you get yourself a really good book about herbs, Rosemary, oh, what's her name? Her name was in my head then. I have her book, Rosemary Goldstar. She has a really good herbal book. Very basic, what the herbs are, how to grow them, how to pick them, what to use them for what reasons. And it's a very basic book, but it's a very good book, and available on Amazon. It's not expensive. I'll try and find the link and I will put it in the description box below for you. Fantastic book. There's also a foraging book as well from a couple in England. I have that book as well. So again, if I can find a link to that book, I'll link that as well. But you definitely want Rosemary Goldstars because it's an introduction to herbs, what it can be used for, lots of medicinal purposes in there. It's a very educational book. It's great having YouTube. It's great being able to have, you know, a search engine on the internet to type things in and do your own research. Of course it is. But it's also good to have a solid book in your house to refer to, because if there's a power cut, for example, if your internet goes down, you have those resources there that you can just pick up from your bookshelf and read and look at. So vodka would be used for different things. I had to write a list because I'm bound to forget, and I still will forget. I'll have forgotten to write loads of things down. You can use vodka for cleaning. You can use it for getting smears off windows. You can use it to deodorize your laundry. You can use it to just spray in your shoes to get rid of smelly shoes. It's great for if you've got some cut flowers, preserving your cut flowers, putting a little bit of vodka in there. It kills weeds, it kills mold and mildew. That's easy for me to say, isn't it? So vodka has 100 more uses, believe you me. You've got lists and lists as long as you're on what vodka can do. But for tinctures, for herbs, for making, for medicines, and you've got to know what you're doing, and for making your own vanilla extract, it's just the best thing in the world. This will beat anything you could buy in the shops. Now, I did buy these vanilla pods from Amazon because they were so ridiculously expensive in the local supermarkets here, and you only got 2. I think it was 10 quid for 2. Absolutely ridiculous. So there's loads and loads of these available vanilla pods on Amazon. This is Madagascar grade A. You can get grade B, whatever. Just get what you want within your price range. These were very inexpensive. A pack of 10, but we got 2 for free. So we're making some vanilla extract today. Seriously, it's the best thing. And all you have to do, it'll last for years. You just top it up. Just top it up. That's all you need to do. You'll never have to buy vanilla extract again. I mean, you can spend £10–12 on vanilla extract. Most people just buy vanilla essence for the baking because they can't afford vanilla extract. If you've got the vodka in the pantry for other reasons, like your medicines and other things, cleaning wounds, whatever, you've already got them. The only thing you're buying is the vanilla pods, and they will last and last and last and last and last. You could make this and it will last you years. Seriously, all you need to do is top up. So I have got one bottle that has a really good lid on it that seals. Okay. Do you remember like the Grosh bottles that we used to put on? Oh, we used to take them off the bottles and put them on our heels, didn't we? This is a Kilner one that I got from the range, but you can buy these kinds of bottles with proper stoppers from just a lot of places, absolutely loads of places. I know in America you can buy these from the Dollar Tree and Dollar General. So I'm not sure if you can get them from the pound shop over here, but it's worth looking. Home and Bargain sometimes have these in. Excuse me, they're not the Kilner make, but you can get these bottles at Home and Bargain. I have seen them. So I'm just going to move the camera down if it'll let me. And I can show you just how ridiculously easy this is to make your own vanilla extract that will last for years. Just move the camera down. Oh, the dogs are at it again. Here we go. Fun and games. So I'm hoping that won't fall over because it's been really a pain. So with these vanilla pods, you don't have to cut them, but I do just to release, just down the middle. I don't cut right through, you're just scoring it. You don't want to cut right through both sides. You're just putting a score in it to release those beans inside, those seeds, and you're popping it in the bottle, okay? I'm going to put 3 in this one. You can put 2 in if you prefer. If you just want to put 2 in, that's fine. So you need quite a sharp knife for that. You're just cutting a line down the middle, scoring a line. Oh, they smell amazing, seriously. This is just incredible. Just wipe, don't want any waste. Just wipe that off. So we're going to pop that in the bottle. There we go. Just move that plate out of the way now. Like I said, I'm going to get some more bottles tomorrow so I can make these up as well. And then we're going to pour the vodka in. make sure the pods are covered, which they are. And you're going to pop the lid on. You want one that seals. You want an airtight lid. That's it. That's all you do. That is your vanilla extract. So what you're going to do with that is you're going to put it in your pantry. You're going to put it in your cupboard, wherever. Nice, dark, cool cupboard. And you're going to leave it there for a couple of months. It will be okay to use after a couple of months. However, saying that, the longer you do leave it, the better that extract will get. So if you leave it 6 months, 12 months, that will be phenomenal. And like I said, every time you get some out for a bit of baking, just top it up again. That's all you need to do. Just top it up a little bit. You're only going to be using about a teaspoon at a time anyway. So this is going to last you. And obviously we're making this now. I'm going to make some more tomorrow and it'll get put in the cupboard for months. And then I'll be just using this one and I'll top it up, you know. You're always going to have vanilla extract in the house. Also, if you only wanted to keep just one on the go, make the others up and pop some ribbon around it with a gift tag. That is an amazing Christmas present. But your own vanilla extract, homemade vanilla extract, grade A vanilla pods. You don't need an expensive vodka. Seriously, you don't. This was ridiculously, this was the cheapest one in the shop, this. You don't need ridiculously expensive vodka. Any vodka will do. You can use a bourbon. You could use a rum to make vanilla extract. It's just that vodka is usually the favoured choice for making extract, and it's really inexpensive, relatively, compared to a bourbon. So that's your vanilla extract, friends. And yeah, always have vodka in your cupboard for medicinal purposes, because it really is a necessity. Every household should have some. You know, I do like a drink now and again. My husband would never drink. He does not like alcohol at all. He never drinks. He can't stand the stuff. And when he was younger, he'd go out with his friends and have a few drinks, but no, he just doesn't like drinking. So he doesn't have alcohol at all. I have it occasionally. So we have the whiskey, we have the vodka, we have the brandy in the pantry for medicines. If I have an upset stomach, I'll have a brandy and a coffee and it sorts my stomach out straight away. If I have a really bad cold, I'll make a hot toddy and it works. I know I had a really bad cold recently, and having a few of them hot toddies when I were really ill really helped. Vodka, obviously, for extracts, for cleaning, for tinctures with herbs, all that sort of thing. Absolutely necessary. So yeah, I will link below a really good couple of herbal books that are very much worth having in your arsenal, very much so. And then grab yourself some vanilla pods and a bottle. And like I say, if you make more than you really want to keep yourself, give them away as a present. Absolutely fabulous. I know quite a few people that love baking, and that would be an excellent gift for them. Absolutely fabulous gift for them. So I hope you do give it a try. I hope you get yourself some vodka in the pantry for medicinal purposes only. Not encouraging anybody to drink. And I hope to speak to you soon. So for now, my friends, thank you. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and share to get it growing. And oh, just one more thing before I go. If you are going to be making your own tinctures with herbs and vodka or homemade wine, anything like that, these bottles are the best to use because they're dark, they're not letting the light in. So you'd be better using these if you want to use, if you want to make your own tinctures. So yeah, that's it, folks. So for now, I will just say goodbye, God bless, take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.